Dear children, today your topic is lines and angles. I think you have ideas about angles and lines in class 6. In earlier class, you have some ideas. You know acute angles, obtuse angle, right angles. Okay, you have already studied the angles and also ray, line segments. Okay, so let's again tell you what is your line. It has no end point. It has no end point. Okay, so AB is the line. Okay, it has no end point. That means you have to extend in both the sides. Okay, unlimited. Then if you take 2 points, suppose P and Q. The PQ is the line segment. Then what is ray? It has one end point. Okay, so this is the end point. This is called ray. It has no end point. This is line. And 2 end point, this is your line segment. You earlier know about that. Now today your topic is lines and angles. So first let me explain about the angles. What is angles? Yeah, how angle is formed? How angle is formed? Yeah, what is the definition of angle? Angle, inclination of two rays with same initial point. Same initial point. That means so 1 point, 2 rays. Okay, yeah, in other way you can tell 2 rays meet at a point. एक point पे दोनों ray मिलते हैं. Okay, then an angle is formed. Okay, this is suppose OA, OB. So OA, OB, the angle AOB, the angle is formed. Okay, meeting point, meeting of 2 rays make या form an angle. Clear? So yeah, this one they have same initial point. Then you know the vertex, then the side. Okay, this is the vertex. O, the point. This is the vertex of the angle. Now angle of rotation. The amount of rotation is called the measure of the angle. Okay, the amount of rotation, the measurement of the angle. How do you measure? What degree? Then what is the unit? Unit is the degree. The angle का unit है degree. Okay. So कितना degree क्या है? How do you know the measurement? Suppose this is the 0 degree. Suppose starting from 0, this is 1/4, half of the total angle. The complete angle is the measurement of the complete angle is 360 degree. Suppose the complete rotation from the point, ये vertex से complete rotation 360 डिग्री. अगर यहाँ से 1/4 सपोज यहाँ से रोटेट किया है 1/4, that means this is your 90 degree. Then half, this is your half of 360 degree. This is 1/4 of 360 degree, and this is 3/4 of 360 degree. That means this angle is your 270 degree. Then this is your complete angle, total complete rotation. It takes one complete rotation. Okay, 360 degree. Clear? So this is the measurement. How do you measure the angles? In this way you can measure the angle. Now types of angles. Earlier you studied types of angles. Now let's discuss about the angles. Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Okay, these are the types of angles. Acute angle, you know what is the measurement of the acute angle? What is the measurement of the acute angle? So the angle in between 0 to 90 degree. The measurement of the angle falls in between 0 to 90 degree. This angle is called your acute angle. Like this. Suppose this angle, measurement of this angle is your 60 degree. That means this is an acute angle. Okay, yes, 70 degree or 80 degree like that. This is an acute angle. Now obtuse angle, 90 to 180 degree. Let it be 110. So this angle, measurement of the angle is 90 to falls in between 90 to 180. Then this is called the obtuse angle. Then right angle, the measurement of the angle is your 90 degree. The angle whose measurement is your 90 degree, this is called right angle. Then straight angle, the angle measurement is your 180 degree. Then it is straight angle. Then reflex angle more than 180 and less than 360. This is your reflex angle. This is your reflex angle. Then complete angle is your 360 degree. This is your complete angle. These are the types of angles. Now, your pairs of angles. What is the pairs of angles? You know, complementary, supplementary, adjacent, linear pairs like that. So let's discuss first the complementary angle. What is complementary angle? Complementary angle. The sum of two angles is your 90 degree. Then both the angles are said to be complementary. They are pairs of angles in the relation between two angles. Okay, they are the single angles. They are pairs of angles. Complementary angles. Suppose these two angles, BOC and AOC, if their sum is your 90 degree, then they are said to be complementary. Okay, you have to write the definition. Okay, then number 2, your supplementary. Supplementary angle. Sum of two angles is your 180 degree. Then this is your supplementary angle. Complementary sum of two angles 90. Supplementary sum of two angles is your 180. So if one angle given, suppose one angle given, question arise here. So complementary, find the complementary angle of 60 degree. So how can you find out? That means 60 degree plus the unknown angle is your 90 degree. The angle is your 90 minus 60 is your 30. Then 30 and 60 degree are two complementary angles. That means their sum is 90 degree. Similarly, suppose one angle given 150 degree, you have to find out the supplementary angle of 150 degree. Then how do you find out? Because their sum is your 180. So 150, let it be x. So 150 plus x is your 180. Suppose 150 plus x is your 180. Then x is your 150. So 180 minus 150 is your 30 degree. So 150 and 30 are supplement to each other. Okay. So problems related to this, okay, you can solve like this. Then next is your complementary, supplementary. Next is your adjacent angle. What is adjacent angles? So it has some definition. If the two angles are said to be adjacent if they have common arc Okay, this is the definition of adjacent. You have to write again. I repeat, third time I repeat. The two angles are said to be, you write down, two angles are said to be adjacent if they have common arc, common vertex, and non-common arms are either side of the common arc. Therefore, their two angles are said to be adjacent. So, let's like that. AOC and BOC, they are adjacent because they are common arm, common vertex. Clear? Then come to the linear pair. Number 4 types is your linear pair. The definition is two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair if their sum is 180 degree. Clear? They are adjacent but their sum is 180 degree. Okay? Suppose these two angles are linear pairs. Suppose AOB and C. AOB and BOC are two angles. They are linear pair because they are sum. These two angles, sum of these two angles is your 180 degree. Then they are said to be linear pair. Yeah, two adjacent angles, the non-common arms. The non-common arms are opposite to each other. Clear? In linear pair, the non-common here, the common arms are either side of the common arc. Here, non-common arms are opposite to each other. Clear? You just remember this. Here, non-common arms are either side of the common arc. Here, non-common sides are opposite to each other, and their sum is 180 degrees. Suppose AOB angle plus BOC angle 180 degrees. So again I repeat, if two angles are said to be linear pair, if their sum is 180 degrees, then they are said to be linear pair. They are adjacent. Okay. So this is your linear pair. Then number 5. So adjacent angles, some adjacent angles, their sum is 180 degrees. Suppose so here two angles, suppose angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. They are not equal. Here angle 1, this is the angle 2. Angle 1, angle 2. Not they are equal. Simple. Okay. So angle AOB, BOC and DCOD. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. They are adjacent. 1 and 2 are adjacent. Okay. And 2 and 3 are also adjacent. So they are make 100 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is your 180 degree. So DA is a straight line, the straight angle 180 degree. Okay, next is your adjacent linear pair, then complementary supplement. Next is your vertically opposite angles. Okay. Vertically opposite angle. So what is vertically opposite angle? Vertically opposite is two lines intersect. Okay. If two lines, suppose AB, CD intersect at the point O, the angles forms are called the vertically opposite angles. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 angles form. So 1 and 3 Now we know कि vertically opposite angles are equal. How can you prove it is? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Let it be, suppose 1 and 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is your 180 degree by linear pair. Okay, you know to adjust angles, their sum is your 180, so they are by linear pair. So if AB is the straight line and OD is the ray, okay, then angle 1 plus angle 2 is your 180 degree. Similarly, CD is the line, BO is the ray, so angle 2 plus angle 3 is your 180 degree by linear pair. Okay, so if it is equation 1, this is equation 2, both are 180 degrees, so combine equation 1 and 2, you get 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3. Both the side 2, that's why you got, so angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So similarly you can prove, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, you can prove. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Clear? Just you remember, if two lines intersect at the point O, then pairs of vertically opposite angles from they are equal. Clear? This is all about your angles. What is angle? What is the measurement of angles? Then types of angles, then pairs of angles. So complementary, supplementary, adjacent, linear pair, and vertically opposite angle. This is all about your angles. Okay.